What if I told you that a simple shipping progress bar can encourage your customer to add more product to their cart? So imagine a customer added worth of $32 in their cart, and you will display a message like spend $8 more to enable free shipping. Then the chances are there that they will add more product to their cart to achieve that goal and enable free shipping. So in this way you can increase your average order value without giving any additional discount on your WooCommerce store. So here in this video I will show you how you can add a shipping progress bar to your cart page. So here we will discuss two methods. First one is the simple progress bar, where you can add a code snippet to your website and enable that, or you can install a plugin. So I have created a plugin specifically for this purpose, so you can install that and enable free shipping progress bar in your cart page. So let's check one by one. So I am in my cart page, and as you can see I have set $10 as the free shipping threshold. So here I have $7.48, and if I increase the cart value above $10, then the free shipping will be enabled. And as you can see free shipping is enabled, and if I reduce the cart value to $10, then we have to pay a flat shipping fees like 0.5 cent. So you can set up this in your WooCommerce store. Just go to your dashboard and go to your WooCommerce settings, and here click on shipping, and here you can create a shipping zone. So as you can see I have created a shipping zone for India. Let me click on edit, and then I have set up two rules. First one is the free shipping. Let me click on edit, and you can see we have set the minimum order amount to $10 to enable free shipping, and for rest of these we have a $0.5 or let's say $2 shipping fees. Let me hit save, and if I go to the cart page and refresh this, then I have to pay $2 shipping fees, and if I increase the order to $10, then the shipping will be removed and free shipping will be enabled. So here I want to display a message that you need to add more product to enable free shipping. So for this what I can do is I will go to my WooCommerce store, and here you can use any code manager plugin. I am using the WP code manager plugin, and here you need to add a code snippet like this. I have already added a code snippet like this, so make sure to select the code type to PHP snippet, and you need to add a code like this. So I will include the code link in the description. So let me click on update. So if you are adding new snippet, then just click on add snippet, add your custom code snippet, and here you need to select the PHP snippet, set a name, paste the code, and enable this code snippet. Alright, let's go to the cart page and refresh it. As you can see, congratulations, you unlocked free shipping. And if I reduce this cart, then it will show that spend $3 more to unlock free shipping. Let me add few more product, and as you can see spend $2 more to unlock free shipping. So it is dynamic. It takes the shipping rules that is set in your WooCommerce store and display the message accordingly. But if you go to the cart page, then you will not see the same message, or if you go to the checkout page, then you will not see the same message. So if you want advanced customization options, then you need to use our plugin. Now let's go to plugin, click on add plugin. Now let me upload the plugin. Let's choose the file, and this is the plugin. So I will include the plugin link in the description. Just download it and use it on your WooCommerce store. So this is a free plugin. Let's click on activate. Once the plugin is activated, you will see a new option, free shipping bar. Just click on that, and here you will see some settings, like you can enable this plugin so that your shipping progress bar will enabled on your WooCommerce store. Then you can display it on your cart page, checkout page, on your mini cart, or you can also enable product recommendation. So let me show you. If I go to checkout and refresh, then you will see the same progress bar in the checkout page as well. As you can see, congratulations, you have unlocked free shipping. And if I reduce the cart value, then it will show a message like this. And if I go to the mini cart, then it will display the same progress bar like this. So you can display the progress bar in your mini cart page or checkout page. So you have all these options, so you can enable it one by one. Now you can set the placement, whether you want to display above cart table or below cart total or above checkout, mini cart, something like that. And here we can also set the message as well. We have some placeholder like subtotal, threshold, percentage, and then we can customize the color of our progress bar. Like progress color is set to blue. If I set to red, then a red progress bar will show up. Let's hit save changes. Now let's click on design, and you can adjust the border radius, padding, bar height, icon size, and all these. And you can change the icon as well. By default that is a truck icon. You can change it to a rocket icon like this. Hit save changes. You can also upload your own SVG icon from here. Let me refresh this page, and as you can see we have a rocket icon like this. Now let me remove this, and as you can see now it is suggesting to add few more product to the cart. So let me add this product to my cart, and let's increase the value like this. So this is how you can control the recommendation as well. So when remaining is below 20, or let's set it to below 70, and you can display maximum 3 products or 4 products. You can set the product source to newest, or you can set it to random. As you can see now it is suggesting some of the product on our cart. So this is how you can show recommendation. You can display a message like this, like spend more dollar to enable free shipping. So you have all the flexibility, so you can control these settings in your WooCommerce under free shipping bar. So this is how you can enable free shipping progress bar in your WooCommerce store and encourage your customer to add more product to their cart to enable free shipping. So in this way you can increase your average order value without giving any additional discount. And I have included the code link and the plugin link in the description. Just use it for free and let me know what is your feedback on it. And if you face any difficulty during this setup, then you can ask me in the comment section. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button. And for more tutorials like this, do subscribe our channel. Thank you.